Now the goal for us, we have the piece that we want, and the goal now is for us to be able to intersect this and get kind of that shape. Let's apply a boolean to this. Remember, whenever you're going to apply a boolean, make sure you have normals on your objects. Normals. Nope, not this. So we have normals on both of these. Let me just pull this closer. And let's create a boolean. I'm just gonna disable the template of that other element. Boolean. And for once, we really want to intersect actually. So let's intersect this, and we get that slice. What we're interested in is actually this shape, the outside faces. Okay, so the way we're gonna keep that shape is Boolean can automatically generate a couple of groups, a few groups, and we can see that we can generate A inside B. Okay, so this is B, and this is gonna be A, and we can generate the group A inside B, and then we can use a blast. Let's create a blast here to actually delete just that group. We have a group here. You can select that one. When you click the drop down here, it's going to detect that you do have a group, A inside B. So it's just deleting A inside B, and we want to delete none selected. So this works. Let's check out the shape of this. As you can see, we're intersecting. We have a lot of points here. We don't have a clean topology, so we need to clean up this topology. And Houdini is just absolutely amazing for that. So we're going to use a facet. And facet has this option of remove inline points. When you turn this on, this is kind of a threshold. Any point that is at beyond the certain distance is going to be eliminated. You might end up eliminating too many. So let's reduce this even further, 0.5. So some of them are still giving us trouble. And what's happening is that these points are just too close together. Okay, we have points that are just really, really close to the points that we want to keep. And it ends up deleting the ones that we don't want. So instead of doing that, we'll first have to kind of fuse the ones that are just too close. We'll just fuse them together. Let's use a fuse. And let's, as you can see, it starts to snap, but this is still too slow, too much. 0.05. I think this might work. Maybe 0.04. Let's see. And on the facet, we just have to use a value that's lower than this one, 2. Okay, so now we have some nice clean topology. No more issues. Only the points that have those edges. Nice clean topology all around. Okay, great. So now we solved that one. And we can start actually sculpting the detail that we wanted. So I'm gonna just add some normals. After the normals, I want to apply a poly extrude. So I'm just gonna type here. Let's hide the points. C model poly extrude, and I'm gonna select everything. Hit enter and extrude. Let's go to spacebar 3. Turn on the references, making sure we don't extrude them too much. Yeah, I think this is the proper amount. Hit escape. Now, these seem to get a bit thinner, and ours are getting a bit wider here at the top. And we can try and fix that.